Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. So on this one we went to a wine tasting thing in McMinnville, Oregon at the airplane museum or whatever it's called. I don't remember. Anyway, the first part of the video shows when we're walking up to us, so you'll see the name. So anyway, yeah, we go there and they got things set up through there. I've never been in the air museum. I am interested in airplanes some, but I don't like follow it like I do with cars and side-by-sides and motorcycles and stuff. But I do like airplanes. I live on an airport, so makes sense. So I found it interesting, some of the stuff that that was in there, and going in and out of all the little booths everywhere. You see some interesting stuff. Might be worth going there and checking out if you're into aeronautics or NASA stuff. There was some there's a moon buggy. I think I got a shot of that. There's some rockets and some drones. There was a big drone. I don't think I got a shot of it. There's a big drone that was hanging from the ceiling, and it looked to me like a plastic plane. But I guess it was a big drone. But anyway, so that's all this video is, showing you some little shots of in that air museum in McMinnville, Oregon. It might be something that someone is interested in going and see. This will be a little sneak peek. And I can't remember the name of the event. It used to be called the SIP, but they had to change it. Oh, I think the museum's called the Greenville Air Museum or something like that. Maybe the event's called the Greenville Wine Tasting. Anyway, there's just some little clips in here of the stuff in that museum, and just thought I'd share. All right, we'll go ahead and get to the clips, and hope you enjoy it. Here we go. Turbojet. I just hit the corner of the building. Little helicopter collection in the back corner. I wish I could go up closer and look at them. That one over there is pretty weird. That one right back there. That's weird looking. Alright, so here's some of the planes that are outside of the museum. See what the little placard says over here. And they got a little grape vineyard around this place also. So let's see what we got. Starfire. Alright, and then over here, United States of America. Oh, my food's done. Okay, well, I'll walk over here, check this out, and I'll go grab my food from the food court. So, saying the United States of America, I wonder if that is an old president's plane, like Air Force One or something. Isn't that the only plane that says United States of America? Let's see. Air Force 2. Huh. Wasn't that interesting? Well, here's kind of a shot of the outside of the museum. You can see through the windows, some of them. You see that rocket right there through the window. Pretty cool. Alright, gotta head over here and grab some food.